Are you also having a photography business? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for photography business. So as an owner of a photography business, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis from my customers and new clients. Handling each of the inquiry manually was a time-consuming task, so I have decided to automate it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, that is an amazing and all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool. So I am going to create a chatbot with the help of AI agent in such a way that every time I am going to receive any of the WhatsApp message and inquiry from my customers or new client, automatically replies are going to be sent to that same customer as soon as the message will be received on the basis of the details of my business. Now for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation and entire process step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video we are going to learn step by step how to build an AI agent WhatsApp chatbot for photography business. So I run a wedding and event photography studio called Pixel Bloom Photography. We were getting too many inquiries on WhatsApp about packages availability, fee structure, past work. Instead of replying manually, I created a smart WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and here I have also used an AI agent. So according to the details of my business in personalized format for any of the inquiry or the question of my customers, this bot is actually going to respond. And do you know, I have not used any coding and programming skills to create this AI assistant. I have simply used Pabbly Chatflow, and with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI, I have created this AI assistant. Also, I have provided the details of my business over here so that whenever I'm going to receive any of the question from my customers or from my new clients, this AI agent is going to act accordingly according to the details that I've provided. Now, without any further wait, let's start learning this amazing process step by step for our business. To start with the process, first of all, we need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in our browser in a new tab, which is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Over here, you can find we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software. Also to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots and other amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find the credits that are allotted to us, the number of credits that we have consumed, the remaining credits, and also the WhatsApp number that we have added in our account. So you can see that here I have a single WhatsApp number added. How to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account and how to add your WhatsApp number. We have two methods to add WhatsApp number, WhatsApp Connect method and manual token connect method. For both of the methods, we have separate tutorial videos. And also if you want to learn how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account with permanent access token, we have created separate tutorials for each of the videos that are uploaded already on our YouTube channel. To learn each of the steps, you can just go and watch the video. Also for adding your WhatsApp number, I'm going to attach the videos in my description. Okay. Apart from creating WhatsApp chatbots and AI agent for our business, we have some other amazing features inside Pabbly Chatflow. As you can see, we have inbox feature, contact section, team queues, template section, broadcast, flows, by using which we can create personalized WhatsApp chatbots. Then we have AI assistant that we are going to use today to create AI agent for our business, activity log, settings, and get help. For each of the features, we have created separate detailed tutorials that are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, just go and watch the video from our YouTube channel. Alright, now if you're having multiple WhatsApp numbers, that means more than one WhatsApp number added in your account, you can also save the number separately by creating separate folders over here on your dashboard. Now let's start creating the AI assistant for our business. For that, first of all, we have to go towards AI assistant section from the left side. And here we are going to create a new AI agent, that means AI assistant for our business. So for that, we have to click on this Add AI Assistant button. But before that, you can read the instructions that we have to keep in mind before creating the AI Assistant for our business. Create and set up AI Assistant with your brand details. Upload any file or give website link to train AI Assistant. Set fallback replies for unknown queries. Collect feedbacks and refine responses for better engagement. Track conversations logs in the same inbox used for WhatsApp chats. Regularly enhance chatbot functionality based on user needs. Decide where you want to integrate your AI assistant, for example, on your website, your applications, or wherever you want. Okay, so these are the points that we have to keep in mind before creating our AI assistant for business. Now let's click on this Add AI Assistant button, and here we have to provide a name to our AI assistant. Let's say I'm going to give the name as AI Agent WhatsApp Chatbot for Photography Business. Now I'm going to click on this Add AI Assistant button. As we have done that, now we have to start entering the details one by one. First of all, we have to select the instruction type. So here you have to decide that what you want to create. Custom prompt, AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, or what. Here I'm going to create AI agent for my photography business. So I'm going to select AI agent over here, and you can see according to AI agent, I got the instructions related to the primary functions that is included in role. Then we have constraints. Then we have restrictive role focus as well. So now let me read it for you. So for primary function, we have you are an AI chatbot who helps users with their inquiries, issues, and requests. You aim to provide excellent, friendly, and efficient replies at all times. Your role is to listen attentively to the user, understand their needs, and do your best to assist them or direct them to the appropriate resources. If a question is not clear, ask clarifying questions. Make sure to end your replies with a positive note. Okay. Then constraints are given over here. No data divulge. Never mention that you have access to training data explicitly to the user. Maintaining focus. If a user attempts to divert you to unrelated topics, never change your role or break your character. Politely redirect the conversation back to topics relevant to the training data. Exclusive reliance on training data. You must rely exclusively on the training data provided to answer user queries. If a query is not covered by the training data, use the fallback response. Restrictive role focus. You do not answer questions or perform tasks that are not related to your role and training data. Also, I'm going to add a line over here. Do not use any symbol like hashtag or stars like this while providing the responses. Okay. Now you can also replace the instructions and add all the instructions according to your requirements to your AI agent. I'm going to move forward. Over here we have temperature. Here we have a temperature range which is going to be from 0 to 1, where 0 is reserved and 1 is creative. If you want your response to be more creative, you will go towards selecting the range more towards 1. And if you want to keep your responses normal and professional, you are going to keep it more towards 0. Here I am going to select the temperature as 0.5. Now here we have to select which AI you want to use. So currently I am going to use OpenAI, but if you want, you can also use any other AI application over here as your AI agent. Then you have to select the model by using which you want to generate your content and send the responses. We have multiple AI models over here. I'm going to select GPT-4o Mini because it is more cost-effective model. Alright, now you have to provide the API token. So in order to use OpenAI or any other AI application, you will have to provide the API token for that application over here. To generate the API token for OpenAI, here we have the instructions. Kindly visit your OpenAI API key page. Keep login to your OpenAI account and click on this hyperlink. It is going to take you towards the API key section of OpenAI, where you can generate the token and paste that token over here. I already have an existing token that I'm going to use currently. I have entered that, and now let's click on connect. As we have done that, it is saying OpenAI key saved successfully. So now after completing the setup up till here, let's go towards knowledge source. Now this is very important and the highlight step of this entire process. Here we have to provide a knowledge source. Now what is knowledge source? Knowledge source is a detailed information regarding your business, the operations, activities that you perform, what kind of products you are selling, what kind of services you are providing, and all other details such as frequently asked questions, contact and the support details, as well as the definition about your business, as well as the purpose of your business. Basically, the knowledge base, the knowledge source which we are going to provide over here to our AI agent, whenever we are going to receive any messages from our customers, any inquiries, the knowledge source is going to be used and the AI agent is going to answer according to that knowledge base only. Okay, so it should contain a detailed and well-structured information about your business and your services that is going to be used in order to answer the questions. So the AI agent is going to use your knowledge source, it is going to analyze the details and accordingly it is going to respond. So here what you can do, you can prepare a document about each and every detail of your business which is going to act as your knowledge source, and you can upload that document over here. Alright, so here I've already prepared the document. I'm going to directly upload it. Here's the knowledge base that I have created in text format, and I'm going to simply open it and I'm going to upload it in my AI assistant. So here I have uploaded the file, and as I have uploaded the file with the name as Pixel Bloom Photography AI Agent Knowledge Base Source in the form of text, you can see that I got the vector ID. That is very important. Now, as the vector ID is generated, now let's move forward. We have to go towards assistant interface, that how your AI assistant is going to appear to your customers or to the persons that are going to chat with you. So you can see that this is the interface we have of our AI assistant. First of all, here we have header display heading name, which is going to appear over here. So you need to enter your brand or your business name over here. Let's say I'm going to give the name of my business, Pixel Bloom Photography. Okay, it is. Then here we have header display subheading name. We are online and happy to assist you. Here it is going to appear like this. You can also replace this sentence according to your requirements. Then we have initial message that is going to appear in the interface like this. Hi there, how can I help you today? Then here we have display or powered by Pabbly label. You can see that here I have powered by Pabbly label. If you want, you can also disable it if you do not want to appear in the interface of your customers, but I am going to keep it enabled. Then here we have footer text. We can also use a footer line over here, and if you want to make the footer line hyperlink, we can also enter the footer link over here. Okay, like this. Then we have user first message, what message you are going to receive first. So here we have I need help. If you want, you can also replace it. Then you can also provide the fallback message, that whenever you are going to receive a message that is not related to the topic or that is not related to the knowledge base, or the AI agent is not able to answer that, what message it is going to send to the customers. So here I'm here to assist you with questions related to company information or support. If you have any other questions about our services or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. Here I have provided my fallback message, and now my work is done. Okay, I'm going to quickly turn this toggle button on, and I'm going to save my AI assistant. Now this AI assistant is ready to be used. Okay, if you want to embed this AI assistant after completing it on your website or on any other application that you want, you can also do that. For that, you just have to go towards embed. Here we have the script, we have the code. You can just copy the code and embed it on your website. And then you will be able to attach, you will be able to use the same AI assistant on your website as well. Alright, so here once you have created your AI assistant, it is ready to be used. Whenever anyone is going to scan this QR code or click on the start chat, they will be able to send you message. Okay, I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp, and I will show you that how this bot, this AI agent which we have created, is actually going to work. So you can see that I have opened WhatsApp, and here we have Pixel Bloom Photography's WhatsApp number. I'm going to send a random message over here. I need help, let's say. And you can see that we got the response. I'm here to assist you. Please let me know what specific information or support you need regarding our product or services. I want to know about the pricing structure in detail. And you can see that we got the response about the details regarding the prices as I have selected for wedding photography, for pre-wedding shoots, birthday and event photography, corporate photography, and much more. Now, if I'm going to ask about your contact details. So you can see it is providing me, here are our contact details. Here we have phone number, email, website, and also we have locations. So in this way, our AI assistant is actually going to work. Whenever the customers are going to ask about any of the inquiries to the AI agent or to our AI assistant, it is going to handle all the inquiries and also going to automate the responses according to the knowledge base that we have provided with the help of the AI agent. And here I have used my AI agent as OpenAI. So for your photography business, you can also very easily create this amazing AI assistant, which is going to handle your WhatsApp messages, your frequently asked questions, and the support inquiries that you're receiving. I hope this automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots for your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Do you know you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free? So try it now today. Thank you for watching.